Hi, I'm Scott. We're going to go down to tearing down of the number 2 mil forming wrap. To remove the tooling on number 2 mil, we're going to loosen up the bottom bolts first with an 1 1/8" box end wrench. From there, you can take off the retainers by simply loosening the bolts. Retainer clip comes off. Once everything's loose, you have to move the roll up, making sure the locking collar has both the shafts moving up at the same time. We do that so the rolls can be removed. They don't hit one another. Once you have the roll raised up, simply pull the stand off. On 2 mil, I always make sure the keyways are up because it's easier when you reassemble. Once again, rotate the shaft so the keyway is up. We do that for 2 reasons. Number 1, when you pull the tooling off, the key stays in the shaft. The second reason is the roll is marked right over the keyway, so you can very easily see if it's in front of your face when you put it back on. When you're done with that, you also have to remove the shim in the inboard stand. The same as the outboard. Stick the pry bar in there, lift up, pull it out. To remove the side pass rolls, you loosen the nut, which should be hand tight, and spin the retainer on the front and the back. Then just lift the tops up. Then you can remove the side pass rolls. Keep the top bearings and the thrust washers because they go back on top of the next set of rolls you're going to put on. That's it.